Ready, start. The consequences of Pakistan's lackadaisical approach to climate change have become painful evident. Full stop. This year, high temperatures and humidity have devastated not only human health but also livestock, with up to 15,000 cattle succumbing to extreme heat. Full stop. These losses highlight the broader future failure of successive governments to prepare for and mitigate the impact of climate change on vulnerable communities. Full stop. Livestock contributes significantly to farm output and GDP. Full stop. Yet, farmers find themselves largely abandoned by the state. Full stop. A recent report carried in Down highlighted how the communication gap between the Food Security Ministry and provincial livestock departments leave farmers ill equipped to protect their animal. Full stop. Such a negligence reflect the government's broader failure to coordinate and implement effective climate policies. Full stop. Pakistan is no stranger to climate disaster, ranging from deadly heat wave to catastrophic foods. However, the response remains reactive, driven by short-term measures rather than a long-term proactive strategy. The 2022 foods, which should have spurred the state into action, have, instead, elicited continued apathy. Full stop. Our environmental performance is slipping, as seen in the country's dismal ranking on global indices like the Climate Change Performance Index and the Environmental Performance Index. Full stop. These rankings underscore a critical lack of coordination and are disturbing indifference to air pollution, climate mitigation, and infrastructure resilience. Full stop. However, moreover, appeals from our leader to the world for climate finance ringing hollow without domestic reforms. Full stop. Pakistan's credibility on the global stage would be greatly enhanced if it displayed a serious commitment to tackling climate issues through improved governance, better coordination and building resilience infrastructure by moving away from the beggar bowl and forcing on capacity building and legal reforms. Pakistan could position itself as a responsible actor in the fight against climate change. Full stop. What is needed to is a well thought out climate policy that priorities resilience, coordination and sustainable development, and ensure that the state can protect its people, economy and environmental from the mounting threat of an unpredictable climate. Full stop.